Hi, my name is Emily Bolin with Sally Crew at Sally Beauty, and today I'm going to be helping you get spring ready by showing you how I do dimensional pastel hair color. So the materials I'll be using today are Good Dye Young hair color in Pink Puff and Sky High, and Barely Extensions hair extensions from Sally Beauty. To begin, I have my pre-toned hair extensions. I got these extensions in platinum, and more often than not, I need to tone any extensions I purchase in order to refine them to match my specific hair color. As we know, our beginning hair color will affect our pastel results due to pastels being an artificial translucent coating that sits on top of the hair, only acting as a filter. Therefore, a true pastel can only exist within the highest levels of blonde hair, and any undertones will influence our end result. So to begin step one, I'm going to paint my first color using Good Dye Young's Sky High. A pro tip I'd like you to know when doing this first step would be to paint in the direction of the extension. That way we maintain control and the hair does not flip back up onto the extension. Another pro tip I'd like you to know is to paint a different formation for each individual extension so that the color will look more organic when placed within the hair. Here you can see me painting in the formation of a diagonal line. So just get creative and have fun, because that's what's going to keep everything from looking like a flat line when it's added to the rest of your hair. Once the color is placed, you can roll the hair and flip it over with your brush for the best saturation possible. So for the next extension, I'm going to be painting in a formation of a W to switch up my pattern. So in the first extension, you saw me do a diagonal line, and in this one, you'll see me painting more of a W formation and then building off of that and creating blends. So for step two, we're going to paint in our second color overlapping into the first color to create a transition color and blend. Some pro tips for this would be to begin by coloring in the sections that have not been touched yet before moving into our blends. That way we have a nice clean color before we start mixing the two at the meeting point. A good tip for blending our second color into our first color are to use your fingers to wipe the colors into one another for a perfect blend. You can also roll the hair in a circular pattern to mix them together for a third blended tone. It's also always a great idea to choose different places and amounts of overlap to create a more organic blend. So here you can see there's a lot to cover, so I'm going in and laying the color on very thick for the perfect saturation. I haven't moved into any of the blended areas or tones because I want to get the most pure pigment out of that negative space. Once I paint down to where the colors will blend, that's when I'll start mixing my paint color. By using those circular motions, I'm creating a third tone, which will give us a seamless blend. Here are 3 hair extensions that I painted using the Good Dye Young hair color. From here, we're gonna process for 30 minutes, then we'll rinse with cool water, let them lay out and dry for better care, and then finish by clipping them in and styling them into our hair. This is the final look for the easy dimensional pastel hair created on extensions. That way you can place them in your hair whenever you want them, and if you're not feeling as colorful, you can take them out whenever you don't want to have color in your hair. I hope this tutorial inspires your own pastel creations at home. For more information or tips and tricks, you can visit my Instagram, Emily Bolin Hair, or you can visit DIY University at sallybeauty.com.